It seems you don't like Bastion's new hat.
No.
Oh no, there's a Johanna on her team.
I feel like saying something, but I think it'd be too mean.
No, say it.
This game feels like a game that Elijah would ask me to play with Thomas. Come on, guys! Guys, we gotta play Heroes of the Storm. It's really fun.
Game.
It's a fun game, guys. Come on.
Don't worry. If you think this is bad, try League of Legends.
Like,
5, 4, 3,
I don't know. This game just feels mid. Good thing it's free, or else I would be more upset playing it.
I mean, yeah, there's a reason nobody plays this game.
Okay, so it is agreed that it's not good.
Yeah,
Not
even
bad.
Blizzard agrees, which is why
Like-
they don't support it.
Yes, of course.
So Joe, I take it you don't really care much for this game. Joe, you there? Is his knife dead? Yeah, I think we probably should have noticed that Joe was being oddly quiet. Magic missile.
Oh, it's bad.
Joe, let's back up. Elite Halo reference?
Thanks for that call out, by the way, Ben. I was fucking yawning, and I wasn't looking at my screen because my eyes were closed.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah. Be less subtle about it, Joe, I dare you.
Okay. I'd rather be
Alright.
playing Halo 2. Go outside. This game sucks ass. I'd rather be playing Halo 2. Get overgrown again. How do we get over?
When you buy the Origins edition, which was like $60 instead of $40, I think, when you bought Overwatch 1.
Oh, yeah. Well, it was all on my brother's account, so I don't care.
Okay.
Like, I have never, ever paid for Overwatch in any way, shape, or form.
Correct.
And I find that really funny. Like, I would grind out crates and whatnot to get stuff.
That's what I did too. I never spent a single dollar on this game, even when I wanted to.
Eraser is funny. Oh my god, which fucking South American country flag is that? Put your
I don't know,
answers
it
in the
looks like
chat, everyone.
It looks like a red version of the Mexico flag.
It's Peru.
Damn, Peru unoriginal as fuck.
Oh great, it's Push the Bot.
Let's roll.
How do I don't
Just
remember how to
pretend the
do it.
bot is a TF2 bot, and the point is the fucking incinerator from Portal.
Kind of awesome.
Now you will. Go to bed.
We're up. It's fine. I'm still alive. That's all that matters. Thank you.
Playing a hero in this game makes me feel like quoting fucking.
Healer. Don't run in front. Make sure you are not the only target.
Playing healer in this game makes me feel like Arthur Morgan. I gave you all I had. Now go!
There's nobody here.
Oh fuck, I thought they were still alive. My bad. It's time. Self-destruct sequence.
I'm
And
so
that's play of
awesome.
the game right there.
We always win.
You want
We
a
always
piece of
win.
candy?
Yes.
Man, I'm dead. Hey, I got an endorsement.
Man, he's dead.
I endorse.
I'm gonna look in the shop because I don't have anything better to do.
I got it. Hold on. I gotta save that. That was kind of epic.
I do like the idea of I do like robot Malcolm X over here. Cool.
Yeah, Ramatra is fun for me.
Yo,
I
wait,
don't
no,
know.
that's fucking perfect though. Romatra, robot Malcolm X.
It's rum matcha though.
Hey Ben,
Yeah.
don't you ever correct me again.
It is Ramatra though.
Toby, I think he's gonna kill you.
I'm actually driving to your house right now to stab you.
But then he can't play Bastion.
Nerf Bastion. You're right, so Winston, I want to be Winston.
I already nerfed Bastion.
They really did.
They already did.
They tried. They just gave me an explosive and made me more reliant on my shitty healers. They should have kept Bastion the same in every way, shape, or form. Just to piss people off, it would have been funny.
They should have even kept his UI the same.
Yeah, yeah. They should have done nothing to Bastion and just keep him as is.
Well, that's what they did at the very start of the game. They kept him in Overwatch 1, which is why he wasn't playable. Oh god, no, the lag.
How did that work?
Very easily. Well, guys, we did it. We saved racism.
You saved racism?
I fucked up my sentence, guys. That was a genuine fuck up on my end. I'm sorry. I queued forever.
Yeah. Oh, Joe, if you play tank, it's gonna be terrible.
Now you're gonna get healer. Me and Toby are gonna get DPS, and we're gonna have a shit tank with no heals. Before you say, I'll heal the tank. No, because me and I'll be playing Bastion. Toby will be playing Genji, and we'll need healing.
I need healing.
I need healing. Oh, fuck me. They find a game as soon as I go for a Clash of Clans raid.
Oh, this is actually what happened.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Hopefully we
It's Jover chat.
switch off tank, everything goes to shit.
Nah, I blame...
No, it's just losing.
matchmaking.
It's okay. It's just losing streak time.
No, I blame the Mora player. Fucking Portugal? Okay. Oh, God.
Oh, you're the tank.
Oh God.
Yeah, baby.
Alright. Well, everyone, let's try our best.
Oh, man. This'll get Ben to go back to queuing his tank.
Don't think we won.
It's so sad that Steve Jobs died of Ligma.
So sad that Joe queued his tank.
What do you mean? I queued for all. That's not my fault. Blame the game.
That
You're
we can all suck.
Alright.
Namib-
Oh, I'm the tank.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
More confident with
Let's-
Toby as the tank than
let's-
Joe as the tank.
Let's go, Ben. The heal,
Right.
the heal
Look, I
dream.
can stall us this one.
I didn't think I was going to help us. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Oh god, what the fuck? Okay,
Fuck. I don't think our DPS are actually helping.
now. What I see
Yeah,
them doing
kills.
is running in and get killed.
Yes. That's what DPS are going to do. I have just as many
Well,
kills.
Joe
as
has
the
more
DPS.
kills than either of the DPSs. I'm just.
Joe has the most kills on the team.
God, you guys suck.
You know what? No, I'm not saying it in chat. No, I'm not toxic. I'm not toxic.
I am.
I'm saying it.
No, you don't. You're a chill guy, and you're not gonna be rude.
I don't give a shit. Anna has the most kills. Good job, Anna.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Ugh. Well, now that I'm here resting,
Mm,
Hello.
we chillin'. Oh, took away my block.
get down.
Oh, Tomber, you're. That's it. That's it. No, no. No more fucking around. I actually have a surprising amount of kills? I didn't know I had that many.
I don't think Roadhog likes me.
Well, I don't like them, so.
Okay. You think we can dick on him for a minute 20?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a Robo rest mode moment. Easiest game of my life.
Let's go, man.
That better be play of the game. Who the fuck are you?
It's a dumb
Farah.
fuck Farah.
Justice reigns from above.
You know, not the fucking game-winning die. The Death Blossom? What are always called for a minute.
Wait,
You
don't I
endorse
kill her?
me,
in
I
this?
love you. I
Uh,
sniped her 2 times, then she got bitchy and switched to Farah. Guys, are we losing against the drunk team?
What do you mean the drunk team?
Someone in chat said this team is drunk.
Got him.
He's so tanky. See, most of the people.
Guys, I keep doing damage per second things. No.
Don't worry, we got it.
I just got drilled. Gay. Oh my god, they got sick of my cool Bastion plays, so now they're playing Bastion. Funniest thing.
I help.
I hope you really enjoyed going super mode there, buddy.
Hey, where are they coming from?
I'm not the tank, I'm
ult.
not gonna overextend.
The front.
Yeah, Bastion! I love Bastion!
I'm just scrolling.
Die!
Mine's better. My team's better.
Calling in artillery support.
What? I could have sworn over that shot.
I had a 6-player kill streak, but I die.
No one can hide from my sight. Heroes never die. Gale de Mahol.
Monsieur, does this mean Overwatch is back? No.
No.
Oh. You're not gonna like this one. It's called Getting Revived by Mercy. I'm playing Brain Rot Bastion. Get fucked. Do you know what else is endless?
That one dig fucker is behind us.
Can't help
I'm
with
dead,
that.
so-
God.
Well, I was just saying for Joe, mostly.
Oh.
And to not be surprised if she comes up and tries to fuck you in the ass. Stop sneaking under us, you dumb bitch.
I need healing.
All your heroes dead. Wait, no, they aren't. Our team is just over there. Kill him.
Oh god.
I'll watch out for that.
So true.
Say true bestie.
I think I really do need to commend the Mercy though.
Ooh,
Oh, we only have a minute?
Spider-Man! Ow. Thank you, Mercy.
Help.
Mercy. Ha ha ha. Going to pick off the healer.
Got him.
Don't worry, I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Shit, I don't think we can do this without Toby. Oh, he's here.
Yeah, he's here. Don't worry. He said he was coming.
Oh, thank you, Mercy. Mercy is so good.
Yeah, even if we lose, I think Mercy's goated. I went for one of their healers. Oh.
Got him! God fucking Mercy.
Okay, go, push.
Got it. Damn it! No, we got this.
Yeah, retard.
Okay,
Stay down.
okay.
Why don't you lay down and die like the losers you are?
We always win! We always win!
Don't.
Mercy. Oh shit.
Oh, we got.
Got Lucio. Okay.
Kaboom!
I showed him one. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, so fucking easy! 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 I'm coming!
Oh my god. Holy
Anyway,
shit.
enjoy. Yo, it's
Oh
me!
my god.
Hey,
Holy
Chuckle Fucks,
fucking
it's
shit.
me, the Bastion player.
I'm
never
endorsing
doing
those healers.
things
They
again.
were.
I'm
Never
pissing
do
bullets, I'm
this
pissing
again,
bullets, I'm pissing
Oh,
bullets!
never kill his tank. Never kill his tank. You're perfect the way you are. You're fucking perfect. Do not Q his tank. Do not Q as tank. You're literally perfect just the way you are.
Oh man, I love my life.
Oh my god.
I
That's
love
fucking crazy.
I love
games
my
I've ever
life.
played.
Oh my god.
oh man, we should end it there. But no,
Nah.
we can't end on a loss. And that game didn't end with us pub stomping, so it's technically a loss.
Damn. This works. This
By the
works.
way, can we just say, one guy like counterpicked me as Bastion? Can we add notice to that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That guy was in the rage cage the entire game.
I got behind him and sniped him when he went in turret mode. It was funny.
Oh fuck yeah.